To add the graphics to the PCB, we created a custom font in Birdfont. This is how it looks in the silkscreen of the board we designed in the previous video. Now let's generate the output files for fabrication. We commit and save everything. We have to enable the Gerber files and configure some extra stuff. In the Layers tab, we have to enable all the layers to plot. Also, we need to check the outline in the mechanical layers. If your design contains holes, you should enable NC drill files too. With everything as default, we generate the output. We can load the generated zip file in an online PCB fabricator like Park. I'm done. This is ready for ordering. Isn't it a beautiful board?